The age-old question, how do I know my script idea won't be stolen? Okay, well, a few things here. One, you'll listen to a lot of executives in this business and they'll say that there are no original ideas, it's just original execution. And there is some truth to that. A lot of people think like, oh, I had an idea for, a bachelor party movie, and then The Hangover comes out and they're like, oh my God, they stole my idea. And it's like, no, they didn't. There's a million bachelor party movies out there. The reality of the situation is most companies and most studios, I'm not saying it never happens. If you go back through the annals of history, you will find some high profile cases where studios were accused of stealing somebody's work. But the reality of the situation is most production companies and most studios would rather pay you for that script than fight a legal battle against you, because it does nobody any good and they're going to end up spending more money on the legal battle than they will on your script. So the reality is this: write your script, register it if you're in the US with the Writers Guild of America and the Copyright Office. And if you're elsewhere in the world, register it with whatever copyright office you have there, and then get the damn thing out, because nobody is looking to steal it. They're looking to like it, they're looking to make it, and they're looking to make money off of it.